Hey guys, it's Keto Kyle here. I got some exciting things to talk about today. We're going to be talking about new 556 suppressors, the new on the market comparisons. To compare them, I have a Noveske. It's an Irregular Defense 11.5 mid-length gas system upper with a Noveske N4 lower. I have the dye-free Kung Fu grip, the geissele SSAEX trigger, and just a holosun red dot, and the SB Tactical SBA 5 brace here. So the first one we're going to be talking about is the CAT white bread Inconel hub, and I have a chemo system on it. The hub accepts all the standardized hub mounts. I don't have the magazine in the gun right now, so it is clear. So anytime you want to run a suppressor, I always like to use the geissele alignment rod to make sure we ain't gonna have no troubles there. That's just something I do every time. So you stick that in there and make sure it don't touch any side at all, and we're good on this one. I'm gonna let you know what it sounds like here. We got the Pmc X Tac 77 grain bullets. I'm gonna shoot 5 of each and let you compare, see what they sound like. Make sure it's in there. Are we good? We're good to go. Make sure it's on there good and snug. Alright. So there was the CAT white bread, the Inconel. Now I'm going to change to another brand new on the market, top of the line suppressor. It's supposed to be the best, quietest 556 can ever. So right here we have the PTR Vent 3. This baby's like $1,500. It's light. I have the chemo system on it, and the key micro brake on the gun here. Let's get it on there. We got it on there. We're going to check for alignment now. Got to make sure she's lined up, ready to go. I've never shot this gun. This suppressor. Going to be very interesting. All right, got it in there. Perfect. All right, we're going to shoot 5 more rounds out of this one. Anxious to see how it sounds. Can you see me? Woo! That and CAT is very similar. Very, very similar. It's I like this one just a little bit more quiet. I don't have no ear protection on. Very, very pleasant to shoot. Everything looks good up here. Let's go ahead and take this one off. Pause. Hey guys, on that last one with the PTR, my muzzle brake come loose when I was taking it off. The rock set didn't do as good as I guess I thought it should. So when I tried to break it, the chemo system loose, it spun it loose, so I had to tighten her back down. That sounded pretty good. Now I'm going to try the NOMAD L, which is a 7.62 can. It's supposed to be very, very pleasant. Let's get it on here, get it tightened up. I've also never shot this one either. We got it on there. Let's check for alignment. Alignment's good. Let's get our magazine. We'll empty the magazine out on this one. In my opinion, the NOMAD L was the loudest, obviously because it's a 7.62 can. They was all pretty quiet. This one here did phenomenally well. So these are still pretty hot to handle. The Cat, I think the Cat did the best. The PTR was second. And then the NOMAD L. So I got this Noveske upper here, the complete upper at it's a regular defense at peaceofminds.com. They got some really bougie, hard to find stuff. The Cat suppressor also got it at Peace of Minds. Everything else I picked up at my local FFL SOT, Meridian Ordnance in Mount Sterling, Kentucky. They have e-filing in-house, no going through silencer shop. Been seeing 48-hour approval times on SBRs and suppressors. I actually got this lower here from them, and anything you need, they'll get you fixed up. Let me know if you want to see anything else. I have LMTs. I got a Daniel, Geissele. I'm still waiting on my Hexworth 556K or Flow K can. But let me know what you think about it. If I can improve on anything, let me know. But until then, see you next time.